Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Can't Die by Wrld on guitar. The guitar is tuned standard, E, A, D, G, B, E. And if you want to just play chords to this song, you can play E minor, D, C, and B minor 11. And for the B minor 11, we're holding down the A string at fret 2, the G string at fret 2, and the B string at fret 3, and strumming from the A string. That's a B minor 11. And for the song, you're simply going to strum each chord just once. E minor, 1, 2, D, 3, 4, C, 2, B minor 11, 3, 4, E minor, D, C, and B minor 11. Now let's learn the riff that repeats throughout the entire song. It's going to start here on the A string, 2nd fret, 3rd fret, back to 2. So that's 2, 3, 2. Then we'll go to the D string, and that was open, 1, 2. The G string open, back to fret 2 on the D string, to the open D string, open G, back to the open D. Then we'll go to a C note on fret 3 on the A string, open G, back to the C note, and then the open A, fret 2 on the A string, fret 3, back to fret 2. And then we'll start the riff over. Here's the entire thing. Well, alright guys, that's how I play Can't Die by Wrld on acoustic or electric guitar. You can play it the same exact way on either instrument. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.